Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, it's a video about a video request guys. Okay, we had a comment in the comment section, many of you asking me if you have a BMW 1 Series guys with a 6-cylinder gasoline engine, how to remove and replace and where the brake vacuum pump is located, the vacuum pump, where it's located. So what we'll be doing today guys, if you have N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55 engine guys, and you're trying to find where the pump is located and what needs to be done to remove and replace it and what tools you need, we will share with you today guys. Now if you want to see the complete video, which is very complicated, but first watch what tools you need guys, we'll have that coming soon on our channel, so please subscribe guys. Quick introduction to the channel: every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Specifically on BMWs, we make close to maybe guys 400 or 500 videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing that free information. Now if you guys need to buy a new pump, special tools, parts, anything like that, check out the links. We share them in the description of the video below for your convenience guys. Specifically we have a N52 engine here. Okay, N52 2006 N52 engine, but even if you have N51, N52, N53, N54, N55, it should work on all of these guys. Now some of the part numbers, always double check those, and the tools to actually remove the pump and replace it, okay, will actually be almost the same, but they will differ a little bit, so you might need to get guys different tools, and I'll have the links again shared for your convenience, so please check them out. We'll put them there. One thing that you need to do guys, okay, we'll need to remove that intake manifold, needs to come out. Okay, and if you don't know how to do that, we have the whole video from start to finish explaining what needs to be done. We will put the link in the description of the video below, and once you remove it guys, okay, you will see why we need to do that and where the pump is actually hidden now. So that's the intake manifold, super important. Always replace the gaskets guys when you actually ready to install it, because otherwise you can develop a vacuum leak. Before you start working on the vehicle, you need to disconnect your car battery, because you have a positive wire coming to the engine starter and the alternator, and if you touch it with tools or something like that, you can guys burn, okay, your electrical system, your car computer modules. So be careful. If you don't know which battery terminal to disconnect, first positive or negative, we have a video, and I will put the link in the description of the video below that explains all that guys. Super important, by the way. And now if you come on the back side of the engine, check it out, towards the back side of the engine, right here is where your brake pump, vacuum pump is located. Now sad part, you cannot remove it from here guys, okay, you work from the front, but always inspect your, okay, if you have a hard brake pedal not functioning correctly, inspect that hose to make sure that it's not actually guys cracked. Ours is cracked a little bit, it's not cracked here, so check that. Check the whole pipe going to the brake booster, make sure everything's good. But the pump, you work on the front guys, you need to remove everything here and you will work on the front, and unfortunately that pump is part of the timing system on that BMW guys, okay. And right here now, okay, check it out, we have, that's the timing chain, main timing chain, secondary timing chain right here guys, and this pulley right here is the one for the brake pump. This is, I think, the balancer shaft and the oil pump, and this is the crankshaft pump guys. You will need a special tool that's going to hold the pulley and the timing chain so it doesn't mess up with the timing, okay, otherwise your engine can come out of timing. It can be actually guys to where it's not balanced, not performing right, and you may end up needing a new engine. So always guys follow the procedure, but you will need the special tools, and once you align everything on the front side, you need to remove 3 bolts and then 1 in the center, big bolt, and that pump will come out. So not too complicated, but not too easy as well guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having a 1 Series and trying to figure out how to do that. Thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.